Hello everyone, Natalie here from SERPWizz, the #1 lead generation tool if you want to get white label audits for your website. And in today's video, we will actually be starting a new playlist or series for our channel, and we will be now talking about SE ranking. So if you have been following our channel, or if you have been subscribed with our channel, you must have come across our videos about SEMrush and Ahrefs, and this is another of it's just pretty much the same as those softwares and tools, but under a different company, which is SE ranking. And today I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what you can expect from this software. So as you can see, I am already in their website, seranking.com right here, and then quickly, this is how their website looks like. So as you can see, nothing too complicated, nothing flashy, just simple minimalist design, and just leads you directly to where you want to be. For example, here some reasons why you should choose SE ranking amongst competitors, and here you have information about the different features and tools that they offer. As you can see, they have SEO tools, competitor analysis tools, B2B features, and social media management software. So these are the tools that we can look forward to once we go ahead and visit their dashboard, which we will be having a tutorial on how to create an account in the next video probably, but yeah, definitely stay tuned and watch out for that so that you can have an insight on how you can go about and do or create an account here in SE ranking. So yeah, that's basically what the features are, and here we have plans and pricing as well, and we'll be discussing more a bit of that when we go over to how to create an account. And these are just some content that is anything related to SE ranking. So here you have the sign in button and the free trial button. So of course, if you are yet unsure if you want to sign up for a paid subscription here in SE ranking, of course you can go ahead and have a free trial account. We'll be showing you what goes in or what you can expect from it should you have a free trial account. But yeah, before we go ahead and do that, though, I just want to give you some more information about SE ranking. And for example, here it is actually described as an SEO analysis and marketing tool that you need on board. Right, so pretty much the same as the other tools that we have discussed prior. You see they talk about keyword ranking and tracking, and SEO PPC competitive research. So I'm sure we'll be given an opportunity to utilize this tool later on as we progress along the playlist or the series. But yep, basically you only have to enter a domain, a keyword, or URL, and then set up which country you're targeting. Of course, results vary depending on the country that you are or you select. But after that, you can click analyze, and that you're good to go. Of course, another thing that we have is an in-depth website audit. So of course, these are pertaining to broken backlinks, website rankings and stuff, on and off page issues, and tips on how to fix them right away so that you can have a good and running website that will generate sales for you, and sales and audiences, I mean. So we also have backlink checking and monitoring. So this is something that I have mentioned that can be done with website audit as well. And if you want more tools to control your SEO rankings, of course, you have page changes monitoring, on-page SEO checker, white label, keyword research, marketing plan, and social media. So you also have keyword grouper, SEO reporting tools, API access, as well as all these other features and tools that will be included once you have an account here in SE ranking already. So here just some more reasons on why you should choose SE ranking. And yep, so once that you're good with all of those information, you have a gist on what to expect, then you can go ahead and either start a free trial account or view their demo account. So whichever would work, and of course it's much better if you have a paid subscription account, because you'll be able to utilize a lot more or have access, unlimited access to all of the tools that they have. But the next videos that we'll be making, it will show you what it looks like if you have a free account, so that before you sign up for a paid subscription, you can have a feel of what it's like to use SE ranking overall. So yep, that's it for me today. Just a quick overview of what SE ranking is and what you can expect from it. Do keep in mind to we have in SERPWizz, we have a lead generation tool that will help you generate white label audits for your website. And if you're interested on viewing a free guide showing how it's done, then definitely head on over to SERPWizz.com, and also have a look at all the other playlists that we have here in the YouTube SERPWizz channel. For example, Ahrefs and SEMrush, to help you also decide on which tool that you want to avail a paid subscription account with. But yep, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys again on the next video.